Get up.
Are you okay?
I think I broke off this branch.
Oh my god.
I can't get up. Oh, hey, look, I broke it off. My butt. My butt is strong. I know. Being emo.
So.
That's my face. My ugly face, get away.
What?
He lied, my girlfriend's not coming.
My.
Someone should go, like, to get out and, like, look for her.
Have fun still.
Call her and tell her to come down here. I want to see this.
What?
It's been a while.
3 people. I'll get in the middle again. Like yesterday.
So like you were like biting my neck, then I started making out with Haley, and then I made out with Katie.
No, you were making out with. Oh wait, Haley was making. What are you doing?
I was making out
I'm
with Katie and Haley.
Hello. Yeah, okay, whatever. Ow!
Moan.
What?
Moan. Why? Let's do it.
No.
Moan. No.
Oh, yeah.
Carlos is way better at it.
Do it, you guys.
Jose's the best at it. Jose.
Sean, moan.
No, not Jose.
Do it. Yes,
No.
do it.
I'm not
Do
mad.
it. Do it. Moan.
No, no.
Do it.
No.
Yes. I'll make out with my girlfriend in front of you if you moan.
You're gonna do that anyways.
No, no, I won't.
Oh, yeah.
Moan.
It's in min-
Let's do it.
No.
It's 17.
Charles, moan.
I'm not gonna moan when you're videotaping. That's weird.
Okay, then put the camera down and then he'll do it.
You're still facing at me, I know. You're gonna wait until I start making you noise.
Here.
No, I'm not doing it.
Do it.
Why?
You want to see my ex?
That was random.
Ashley.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
There's my other ex.
I'm not weird like that. I
I'm
don't want to
kidding.
moan in front of people.
I know.
It's not.
There's the chick that scared of
Moan
me.
if we were at Pizza Hut. Yeah, I would have moaned if we were at Pizza Hut.
She knows she likes it. Who?
She knows she does.
Janet.
She scared me now.
I like it.
Okay, I'm tired. Let's go.
Doesn't it look alike?